Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a medium cardboard house. First, let's gather our essential tools and materials. You'll need several large pieces of sturdy cardboard, a sharp craft knife, and a metal ruler for precise cuts. Don't forget a hot glue gun for strong bonds, masking tape for temporary holds, and a cutting mat to protect your surfaces. Always work in a well-ventilated area and have an adult supervise any cutting. Now, let's move on to designing and cutting your house components. Begin by sketching a simple blueprint of your house, deciding on the size of your walls, roof, and floor. A good medium size might be 12 inches by 12 inches for the base. Transfer these measurements precisely onto your cardboard sheets. Then, using your craft knife and ruler, carefully cut out each individual piece, ensuring all edges are straight and clean for a perfect fit. With all your pieces cut, it's time to assemble the main structure of your cardboard house. Start by applying hot glue along the bottom edges of your 4 wall pieces and firmly attach them to the cardboard base. Use masking tape to temporarily hold the walls in place while the glue sets, which usually takes about 30 seconds. Next, carefully attach the 2 roof sections, creating a sturdy and stable frame for your house. Finally, let's add those charming finishing touches to your cardboard house. Cut out small rectangles for windows and a larger one for a door, then glue them into place. You can also add details like a chimney or a porch. Inspect your house for any weak spots and reinforce them with a bit more hot glue or tape. Now, the fun part. Decorate your house with paint, markers, or even small paper cutouts to make it truly unique and inviting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.